Hello everyone. In the previous video, we created the VPC network from the AWS documentation, mainly using CloudFormation. Now that's been successfully created by CloudFormation. And now let's head back to EKS. We will select the networking that we just set up. So refresh this page first and choose EKS VPC. Once selected, the subnets will be automatically populated. And for the security group, we will leave it empty. We are using IPv4 and a public and private cluster. And then click the next button. Leave the rest
Sisanya kita
as
biarkan default juga.
Click next. And while waiting for the EKS cluster to finish creating, we need to install the AWS CLI on our personal computer. I already have it installed, so you can check with the command AWS -- version and press enter. If it's installed, it will show information about the AWS CLI version in use. If not installed yet, you can follow the documentation here based on your operating system. Yeah, because later we will use commands through the AWS CLI to control the Kubernetes cluster. And next, we also need to set up security access. So go to IAM to create the access and security settings. Here, go to your user. And from there to the security credentials tab. I already have access keys, so if you don't, you can create one here using this button. Next, back to the terminal for the configuration. With the command AWS configure, enter the access key, enter the access key, enter the region name. I'm using AP Southeast 1 as my default. Leave the output format empty. After configuring, that means we are connected to our AWS account. Okay, now let's check back in EKS to see if the Kubernetes cluster has been created. Okay, our Kubernetes cluster is active. We will add this to the terminal. Add our Kubernetes cluster to the local PC with the command AWS EKS -- region and the region AP Southeast 1 update kubeconfig -- name and the cluster name, this one, Kubernetes Microservice demo. Press enter. The context will be added. Check with the command kubectl config get context. It looks like this. Now let's try kubectl get pods. The expectation is it will be empty since we haven't created anything in the cluster yet. There it is, no resources found in that namespace. All right, that's it for this video. We'll continue in the next one.